my channel. My name is Tia. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. I upload 4 times a week, which is Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I am doing a wig review. Go figure. And this little cutie here is Janet Collection's Kate, and she's in the color Daisy with this really pretty dark tips at the end, so that's really fun. I have a review on her, so you can check her out. If it's not up yet, you can check out the playlist on my other wigs from Janet Collection. But today we are doing a main concept, and her name is ARI. I done a couple of the other REs from main concept. I did Barcelona RE, Rome RE, I have Philly RE, I have another RE. This is their brown sugar side to side collection, and this is a lace front wig with a 6-inch deep lace parting. This is a human hair style mix, which basically means, yes, it's still synthetic hair, but it's mixed in such a way that it's supposed to look like real hair. A lot of people get that mixed up, that they feel like there's human hair in it, and there's not, so just so you know. She comes in a bunch of different colors, and I have her on in this color here, because you know I like me an ashy blonde, and this is in SR2, which is a number 2 root / sandy blonde, and you can basically just shift the part on her. It does come with tape, which I haven't used wig tape. I'm gonna pull this tape off so that I can sit it here and maybe try to use it once. And I scooped her up from Wig Types for $24.72. So let's get her. And she came in this box. All right, this is Miss ARI. She's more of a natural curly type texture, pretty yucky. She's about probably 20 inches long. Parting space looks really nice. I won't need to pluck that at all. I really like this type of parting space. I know some people don't like these super wide parting space, but I personally do. There's ways that you can fix it if you don't like it. And I'm filming a synthetic wig hack video with 20 wig hacks, and there is a hack for how you can do that. So check that out. She does have, yeah, that's definitely number 2 root. I prefer a number 4 root on a sandy blonde, but I'm not super mad at this. She does have like baby hairs, so if you're someone who really likes the baby hairs on the wig, that's good. If not, you can just kind of tuck them under. You know, she's got that nice, let me check the rooting. Yeah, that number 2 is rooted all the way through, so that's really, really nice. Let's look at the wig cap. Cap construction, she has 2 combs in the front. They're set fairly wide apart, which I really like. She's got that long lace parting. She was a lace front, which I already cut out. She has 2 combs in the back, or I'm sorry, 2 adjustable straps in the back and a large comb. And then there's these little hairs here, which if you don't know what those for, this is supposed to help prevent tangling at the nape. And also you can use these to clip your wig down or to glue it down too, if that's what you wanted to do. I'm not going to comb her out just yet because I want you to see what she would look like straight out of the pack, but I will comb her out on camera. So let me get her on. Woo! Wig cap is very large. I gotta adjust this. I can't even review it without adjusting it. Let's try this again. Ooh, hey, oh, hey. So just FYI, I adjusted her and she is big. The wig cap is, look. So I would definitely need to use a wig grip on her if I was actually wearing her, just reviewing her today. So if you need a larger wig cap, this is the girl for you. This is her on the right. Yeah, these are gonna have to be set. These baby hairs are a little crazed. They're like bushy. Look. What? So those are gonna have to be trained down. This is her on the left, which is usually, see, and that just makes it look different this side. I might set her up on the left side. I think I'm going to. But let's look in the middle. This is what she looks like as a middle part. I just feel like the way she was in the packaging is just going to be better on the left side. Which is fine because I've been setting a lot of them on the right. This is so big. I actually have to put the combs in. Usually I don't have to do that when I'm just sitting here like reviewing it. All right, I'm gonna brush her out. She's definitely, got my little step stool. She's 20, between 20 and 22 inches long. I love the color. I can tell you right now I'm not crazy about the root, but let's see what we can do with her. I feel like she's one I might sell. But let's see. I'll put her together and come back and we'll see what we are working with.
Your skin's electric, my heart's fluorescent, baby. My soul is hurting, your touch is burning, baby. Your skin's electric, my heart's fluorescent, baby.
Okay, so as per usual, I combed it out and I actually like it a lot better. I just tucked the baby hairs in. They're too crazy. I might actually cut the lace back so that I cut those off completely. But we'll see. I do really like the color. It reminds me of a wig that I reviewed, I think from Sensational, named Brianna, just a longer version. I love the texture. Like, she's going to get tangled, but she shouldn't get too tangly. The wig cap is huge. The wig cap is huge. Like, there's just no way I could wear her without a wig grip. Also, I might have to pin it down. Like, I don't know. She just, it's a big wig cap. So if that's something you struggle with, this is definitely a wig that you might want to check out. Okay, let's look at her from the back. She's super long. She's definitely 24 inches, 22, 24 inches. Not too thick. Density's nice. Density's more like realistic. This is all the hair to the front, so it's not too bad. Yeah, overall, I like her. She's not like my super favorite, and it's not even because of the wig. I hate this root. I hate this dark root with these sandy blondes. Maybe if my hair was naturally this color, I wouldn't care, but it's not. So, but she's comfortable. I think the hair is pretty. Maybe I'd like her in a different color. If you have this wig in a different color, let me know what you think of it. But overall, if you're looking for a sandy blonde and your natural hair is sort of darker, this might be a good one for you. My natural hair just is quite a bit lighter, so, you know, personal preference. And if you're looking for something with a bit large wig cap, this is great. Other than that, I mean, like, this is a good wig. It's pretty, and I think it would be comfortable. It would be a good one to be able to just cut down to here, which is the length I think of Brianna is anyway. So overall, I don't have anything too terrible to say. It's just a preference issue. So if you like these types of videos, please give this a thumbs up. If there's another wig you want to see reviewed, please let me know. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.